Hello students, welcome you all to my English class. Hope you all are doing well at your places. Students, in this video, I'm going to discuss with you voice about different verbs like intransitive, transitive, prepositional verbs, etc. Okay, so first one is the voice of intransitive verb cannot be changed. Intransitive verbs, verb which have no object, verb which have no object. Okay, for example, the children enjoyed, the children enjoyed. There is no object. What the children enjoyed? कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ. Okay, when there is no object in the sentence, then voice cannot be changed. Okay, now next is for future continuous and perfect continuous tenses. Future continuous tense and perfect continuous tenses do not have passive voice. उनकी भी voice passive voice नहीं होती है. Okay. Now next is transitive verbs having two object. वो transitive verbs जिनमें two objects होते हैं. See, when a transitive verb has two objects in the active voice, either the direct or the indirect object may become the subject in the passive voice. If there are two objects, then we can take either the direct or the indirect object. दोनों में से हम कोई भी ले सकते हैं, चाहे direct object ले लो, चाहे indirect object ले लो. Now, main thing is to find out the direct or indirect object. Here is a sentence. I gave Ritika a pen. I gave Ritika a pen. What I gave? What I gave? A pen. That means this is the direct object. To whom? To whom I gave? That is Ritika. That means ये क्या है हमारा indirect object. Okay? So, जो एक्शन है जिसके थ्रू हुआ है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हाट आई गेव पेन, दैट मीन्स वो डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है. टू होम करके अगर क्वेश्चन करोगे, जो आंसर आएगा देन वो क्या होगा? इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो आप इन दोनों में से कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट एज अ सब्जेक्ट पहले ले सकते हो, ईदर डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट. क्लियर? नाउ firstly, we will take the indirect object, that is Ritika. Now gave is there, verb second form, that means simple past tense. Okay, simple past. What is the rule for the passive for the simple past? That is was were plus verbs third form. Okay, so it will be changed accordingly. Ritika was given a pen by me. Okay, Ritika was given a pen by me. Now, if we take direct object as the subject, then a pen was given to Ritika by me. Okay, so next is prepositional verbs. Prepositional verbs means जिनके साथ preposition लगी होती है. Okay, वो verbs जिनके साथ preposition लगी होती है. So, when the verb in the active voice is a prepositional verb, the preposition is not dropped in the passive voice. जो preposition उसके साथ लगी है उसको हमने drop नहीं करना है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो sentence का part है. Clear? For example, the boys laughed at the beggar. The boys laughed at. किसके ऊपर हंसे हैं? Beggar के ऊपर. Okay. So, the beggar was laughed at by. At will remain be there with the verb. Don't drop the preposition from the verb. Okay. Whenever it is there with the verb. Now, next example is वी ऑब्जेक्टेड टू, हमने ऑब्जेक्ट करा है किसको, वी ऑब्जेक्टेड टू द मॉनिटर्स प्रपोजल, मॉनिटर के प्रपोजल को. ओके, सो इट विल बी चेंज्ड लाइक मॉनिटर्स प्रपोजल was objected to will remain be there, objected to by us. Okay, we will be changed to us. Clear? Now next is the interrogative sentences. How will be changed active sentences of interrogative sentences to passive? Okay, first is, has she taken a decision, present perfect tense. Okay, so only been will be added to it. Clear? Has will remain be there in front. Okay, has, now object is a decision, so it will come first. Has a decision been taken by, she will be changed to her. Okay, has a decision been taken by her. Clear? Next is, who stole my watch? Now whenever there is who in passive voice, it will be by whom. Okay, passive में क्या होगा, by whom. By whom was my watch stolen? Clear? By whom was my watch stolen? Clear? Next is, why are you tearing up these papers? Why are you tearing up these papers? Subject is you. These papers, object. Okay, now here is tearing up, preposition is there with the verb, so we will not drop it. Clear? Now it's present continuous tense. Okay, so what is the change in it? Is, am, are plus being. Okay, we will add being to it and add verbs third form to it. Clear? Now see the change. Why are these papers being torn up by you? Okay, rest of the sentence will be changed according to the assertive sentences, but the question word, that is why and helping verb, वो सबसे पहले आएंगे. Okay, now next is, will they have had tea? Will they have had tea? This is future perfect tense. Okay, so been will be added. Now tea, tea is the object here and they is the subject here. Will tea have been had by, they will be changed to them. Why? Will tea have been had by, they will be changed to them. Okay. Next is, where had the child thrown the toy? Where had the child thrown the toy? Past perfect. Okay, where had will remain be same. Child is subject and toy is object. Okay, so object comes first. Where had the toy been thrown by the child? Okay, question mark will remain be there. Clear? Now next is the imperative sentences. Imperative sentences, we have advise, order. Okay, so in imperative sentences, let be is used to make passive. Okay, let be word का use किया जाता है passive बनाने के लिए, and when or should be can be used. क्या use करना है? Should be. Whenever we want the sentence to remain in imperative, okay, तब क्या use करना हमने? Should be. Clear? Now shut the door. ये कैसे change होगा? Let the door be shut. Okay, let the door be shut. let be. Clear? Next is, और क्या आ सकता है इसका? The door should be shut. Clear? The door should be shut. Let be, let के साथ भी हम इसको बना सकते हैं सेंटेंस को, and with the should be also. Avoid street food. Now here is advice. So we can write you are advised to. जो भी सेंटेंस में होगा अगर वो ऑर्डर है तो आपने लिखना है you are ordered to. अगर एडवाइस है then you will write you are advised to. Clear? So this will be changed as you are advised to avoid street food. Okay? Next is switch off your cell phone. Now it will be changed with let. Let your cell phone be switched off. जो verb है उसको आपने be के बाद लगाना है. Let your cell phone be switched off. Clear? I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you, students.